Kountry Boi, where are you?
Wagwan everybody, it's original Kountry Boi. And yeah man, I know say a long time I not see my people, right? And I know the problem miss me right now. Well, get some people missing it too. But that's how it goes sometimes. Sometimes in life you have to pull back to move forward, right? So that's what I had to do. I had to pull back so I can move forward. And yeah man, because I'm missing it so much right now, peeps, I decided to hear what? I go share my day with Uno, and I'm gonna make a video. Yeah. But people, you see, before I get into the video rather, and me telling you what this video is about, I want to send special greetings to my fellow YouTuber Vera _Uja on Instagram, but Vera Uja on YouTube. And by the way, Vera, I hope I said that right, okay? If I didn't say it right, please tell me in the comment section, okay, when you watch this video. Yeah man, the reason why I'm bigging her up, people, as a matter of fact, I have to get closer to you right now. I have to get closer to you now. The reason why I'm bigging her up, peeps, is this specific reason. This lady, yeah man, I like you liking this one. Yeah, I'm sitting down on the ground, I saw it go. This lady had the beautiful audacity to go over to my website and purchase a country girl shirt. People, she didn't even tell me that she do it. She did tell me in the beginning that she's gonna purchase one, you know. I'm say, yeah man, she gonna purchase one, me feel good. But to be honest, I forgot about it, peeps. Then I scroll through my Kountry Boi Instagram now, and I say, yo, everything look nice. Like up some people status, like up people that want to follow up on YouTube thing. And next thing me know, boom, when me look, Vera in a country girl shirt, doing like this, telling, made like a what you call it, a thumbnail saying why she's gonna quit YouTube. But I never that catch me the most. When me look, now one country girl shirt, you know, me say my Sunday was the best Sunday in a many Sundays are Sundays. People, no joke. Instantly, I have to message her and I have to say, no man, I'm really surprised. I go over same time, go watch our video. I show my father, I show everybody, peeps. Make them know, say, yeah man, somebody in Africa or that has African descent. Buy my shirt. People, I never been so happy in a while. So yeah man, I want to send enough respect, you know, go over to our YouTube, go blow her up, tell her say a Kountry Boi send, you know. And you know, just show her some love, people, because she's a good lady. She had to take a break from YouTube also because, you know, she had to learn how to prioritize properly, because sometimes it's natural for us to, when you want something to reach to the point where you grow, you dedicate so much to it that you don't even realize that your dedication can be too much. Remember that them say too much of one good thing can be bad for you, right? So just the same, too much YouTube can be bad for you, and she had to pull back like me and shuffle up and come again. So I anticipate our next video piece when she tell me what really did go down, and we can say, yeah man, we can learn from her, and we can say, yo, me no want for this for reach. So I go do YouTube according to how I want to do it, and still know say I want to reach the 1K, and I go get there, but me cannot prioritize wrong. So yeah man, peace. Me know say that's well said. Big up to her right now. So what is this video about? People, you know, come walk with me. Yeah man, walk with me. Walk with me, people. Walk with me. Showing us you wanna know. Nah man, me I deal with today. No, walk with me, people. No, walk with me. Make sure you not see my face now. No, walk with me, people. Showing us you know. Nah man, people. Yeah. Peeps, take a look. You know what this, people? This is called bok choy. This is called pop choy, peeps. Yeah. I want to show them a pop choy bed right now. And I not normal, peeps. This is a and I not normal. Yeah, man, so heavy rain fall what day. That's the thing about heavy rain, peeps. Yeah. Them not always can manage heavy rain, peeps. So, yeah, man. Yeah. So this video is about how to make a bed so you can properly sew your pop choy. You see my peeps, and you notice how my bed pretty, like a little hill kind of thing. I'm gonna show you how to do it, peeps, because in order to plant pop choy so that when rain fall the water can easily run, you have to make a bed like this. I call it a bed, a hill, whatever you want to call it. So in this video I will be showing you how to make a well-drained bed, so whenever you plant whatever in it, you don't have to worry that you have root rot, because the water can easily flow in it and go down in the soil. Alright, so people, on the flip, that is what we will be doing. It's Kountry Boi again, and welcome to my potential pop choy farm. Alright, so peeps, the first thing you need is tools. You need a shovel. You need a hoe. A hoe. Get it? A hoe. Alright, cool. Then not get it. But yeah, you need a hoe. Garden hoe, peeps. Not the hoe that I was talking about before. Yeah. So friend, you have all them tools, peeps. And by the way, I don't want to see nobody when you not doing the garden stuff in no clean clothes. I don't want to see nobody in no Louis Vuitton. I don't want to see nobody in no Gucci. I don't want to see nobody in no Steve Madden shoes. When you not doing them type of work, peeps, in the shoes for favor mine. If you go through like you go through Iraq and come back here, yeah man, so in the shoes for look like mine, people. And in the clothes for dirty. Look for my pants. Alright, fine. The pants are kind of neatish, because me at least they don't look kind of neat while me I do that work still. Because you know, so me are the king of wearing shorts, you know, without shirts. So I had to represent. So yeah man, in the shorts can bossy. But otherwise, me don't want to see no bossy. Me don't want to see no bossy shoes. Peeps, by the way, the leaf I just dropped on me. And they have a saying in Jamaica that when leaf drop on you, and smack you like the way that leaf just smacked me, yeah, you're gonna get money. So I welcome the money. Thank you. Put it in my pocket to I think I dropped it. So yeah man, people, now that me have all of my tools, let's get into it. Yeah. Alright, so peeps, the first thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line it here. So I'm gonna catch one little line, cause when you're making the bed, you have to create like a little space where you can walk through. Yeah man. So I'm gonna line it so you can have a little space. Then I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. Just take it in, peeps. Yeah peeps, notice I'm gonna line it. So, as you can see, I met my line, right? You don't think I just said stop? No, I just said stop. I know I didn't move like a machine while ago and I make it look easy, but not easy. Whew. Yeah. So the next step after this is you have to create the middle. You have to dig out in the middle. Cause after I create my line, so I know what I work with, you have to dig out the middle now. Now, without any further ado, if that's what they say, let's get into it. Phase 2 coming up, then phase 3. So the tactics behind it. You see when you jam it, you're now going to pull on it, peeps. Instead of pulling on it, you're going to do like this. You push it back. So you see when you push it back, the dirt come up, and then you pull on it and flip the dirt. Alright peeps, so that's a little tactics of how to get your bed going quicker than normal, okay? Alright peeps, so you can see say, you can see say I get somewhere though. Alright, so phase 2 done. On to phase 3. Let me show you phase 2 how I did it. Grimy! Yeah man peeps. Phase 2 I did it grimy. Phase 3 now. Phase 3 I go did the outer part, you see me? Like a line. Go down. Yeah. And then after we do that, we're gonna take the shovel and we're gonna bank it up like that one over here. So. See how that one here? Coming like one little molehill. Yeah. So we are going to bank it up after. Alright people, I just want to know say, in everything you do that is hard, you need rest. So people, let me take a 1 second for just take a breather, like how I done phase 3. Which is the end part, the other end part. So the last phase though, which I did not mention, phase 4, is I have to go bank it up now. So I have to go take the shovel and I dig and dash and make it like a little hillside, you know? Yeah, so that's the final phase, and then officially I will be complete with making my bed. Yeah man. People make me tell you, not even when I get up out of my bed a morning time, that bed is hard to make so. Jesus have mercy. I hope that makes sense. Alright peeps, final phase done. And as you can see, my body look oiled like a well-greased machine. Look. Whew. My God. Yeah man, as I say, it's easier to make your bed in the morning after you wake up than make a bed like this. But easy peasy for me. Yeah man peeps, so let's take a look at it and see what I'm working with now. Alright, so you see it's everything that I described initially peeps. It's high up off the ground. Yeah. Soon get rid of that little root there. Yeah man, so when heavy rain fall, you know, go find a lot of root rot in a bed like this because the water can drain to some extent. Yeah, man. And remember, whenever you're making it, you have to make a path where you can walk. So makes watering whatever you plant easier, okay? And by the way, this bed is ideal for planting potatoes, people, because remember, potato bear in the ground. Yeah, man. Yeah, so you see thing up like 7 done. Yeah, man, courtesy of Kountry Boi. Yeah, man, peeps, so Kountry Boi about to sign out. Yeah, man, I'm just want to give you one last advice, peeps. So now do them kind of work, people. Please make sure you wear gloves, or else you know hand go full of can. I'm not talking about buttered can, people. Yeah, man. So everybody, now check for my little baby goat, see what I'm going with. Good. Alright. So everybody, I hope you enjoy my video how to make whether you plant potato in a bed, how to make a pop chart bed, how to make a whatever you want make bed. People, yeah, man. What you say? Sign out for me, baby. Sign out for me. Yeah, man, everybody, thank you for tuning into my video, and I hope to see y'all again. Yeah, man. Say something to the fans, my friend. By the way, this is heavy, everybody. Say something to the fans. And by the way, the only reason why I'm showing him in the video is because everybody has been asking to see one of these wild creatures that's been running around. So I'm showing you today. Yeah, he's not wild, I can touch him, I know. Yeah, man, big them up for me heavy. Yeah, man, heavy, big them up for me now. Yeah. Yeah, man, big up to everybody right now, and I don't know a thing. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'm happy to be back. Big up everybody, and I don't know a thing, but always out here representing. I'm a baby this for life. Go on. Yo, go on. Alright, look more peeps.